Welcome back to another quick guide. Today, I'll walk you through how to set up iPhone to save battery. Here's how to do it. First is to update iOS. Go to the Settings app, General, Software Update, and install the latest version. Turn on low power mode. Go to Settings, Battery, Power mode, then toggle on low power mode. Enable optimized battery charging. Go to Settings again, Battery, Battery health and charging. Go to Charging, then turn on optimized battery charging. Reduce screen brightness. Swipe down, then adjust brightness or enable auto brightness. Turn on auto brightness. Go to Settings, Accessibility, Display and text size, then toggle on auto brightness. Use dark mode. Go to Settings, Display and brightness, dark mode, and set it to on or set appearance to the dark. Limit background app refresh. Go to Settings again, General, Background app refresh, tap background again, then set to Wi-Fi or off. Turn off unnecessary location services. Go to Settings, Privacy and Security, Location Services, tap on App, then limit apps to while using. Disable unnecessary notifications. Go to Settings again, Notifications, tap on App, and turn off alerts for non-essential apps. Turn off Bluetooth and AirDrop when not needed. Go to the Control Center and toggle off the Bluetooth or AirDrop. Reduce motion effects. Go to Settings again, Accessibility, Motion, and reduce motion to toggle on. Turn off Always on display if available. Go to Settings again, Display and brightness, Always on display, and set it to off. That's all for now, folks. Thanks for watching.